Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today's video, it's all going to be about Green City. Green City is going to be it's kind of like a first Lego League challenge, but it's not connected to first Lego League. It's a Lego education mission board. So I'm going to be taking you to the first Lego League table and showing you the Green City challenge. Let's go.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
Oh yeah. Okay everybody, so here's the Green City Challenge table. I'm going to be honest, it has seen better days. This set is actually pretty old. It was sitting in my room. I didn't even purchase this thing. It was sitting in my room in 2015. So I don't even know how old this thing is. So there's going to probably be some modification that you're going to see, but most of the models are pretty good. So we got the turbine here, the solar powered house. We have the yellow and black trash. The Green City in the middle. We have the smokestack over here. We have the hydroelectric dam over there. So in this video, what I'm going to do is kind of just show you what missions the students do with their robots. I'll definitely leave you guys the link in the description to buy this. You can still actually purchase this. It's kind of amazing they still have this around. And then hopefully get to show you some examples of what it looks like when the robots actually complete this mission. So unlike first Lego League board challenges, where you get points. In this case here, with the Green City, you're trying to get these, we call them in our class, power pellets. You're trying to collect those, and there's 6 missions if you count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what happens is when you collect all of your power pellets, then your robot puts it into this red tray and will push this tray in, which would make the house spin. Basically, the grand finale telling you that you're done, you completed all your missions. So let's go around the board and just show you what each mission does. Okay, I have to admit that this turbine, it doesn't always work all the time. Again, this set is old. So in this one here, I'm hoping it's going to work. The robot presses this red lever down, releases the power pellet, and it should make this propeller or turbine spin. So let's watch that. Yay, pretty good. So that would be the turbine mission. Let's go to the next one. This solar panel is in base. So the robot is going to have this, you can put this on the robot in base. It is supposed to place this on top of the house, which will release that power pellet right there. And I tell my students, yeah, that solar panel needs to be on the house in order for this to count. Okay, next is the yellow trash, which is right here. It needs to be placed on top of the trash can. And what happens is the power pellet gets released. And so I tell my students, well, if you want to, you could actually bring this back to base with you and then send it out to put on there. Because a lot of my students think they have to pick this up and take it over there. And sometimes that's a little too difficult. So I give them that option because base is normally a place where you have, you can manipulate things. So their robot needs to take this, drop it onto here, which releases that power pellet. Okay, so another case in point where I have to find the black one of this, so we just kind of used a different tubing, or you can just use the same one. So same thing over here with the black trash. They put the tubing on top of here. It's supposed to stay on there, and there's the power pellet. Okay, so for the hydroelectric dam, I try to make this the simplest one. Obviously, you can make it more difficult by moving these panels, but my students come, they move this over, they hit the bar, which, oh, We never had a power pellet in there, so let's go back and put that in there. So the power pellet is going to be right over here on the left side right there. So they push this in and the power pellet comes out. All right, let's go over to the smokehouse. Did I say smokehouse? I meant smokestack. So there's obviously the clean one. So in this mission here, they will lift this up. They will knock the black one over, which causes that power pellet to come out. So if they do all 6, they should have a bundle now of their power pellets. Let's go to the middle here, the green city, to see how they finish this off. Okay, so when you finally have all 6 of your pellets, the robot will have to place the pellets inside of this red tray, and then the robot pushes this tray in, and if the house spins, you have completed your missions. That is so cool. Right?
Yeah. You want to do it with the computer?
If you want.
We believe, Chris.
Chris, we trust.
All the main support.
Yeah, we might have to do a computer to make it.
Oh.
All right? Yeah.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Put the robot back.
You can feel it, Chris. You got this.
Wait.
Stay on.
Stand. Oh! That is on. Pellet is out. The house.
No, I just want you guys to go. I'll go. I mean, I don't really care about the donuts.
Baby, give us the donuts.
This is about
We
pride.
got like. It's about pride.
Yeah, pretty much.
I don't really. Let me finish this.
Oh!
No! Oh no!
They got it. They got it.
Yes, we got it! No!
Good. Get.
Okay, guys, so there you have it. The Green City Challenge. It is still available, I believe, $254.95. I think it's still on the website, so I'm not sure. I'm sure you can probably get it. So if you got the money, it's a really cool challenge set. For those of you, again, that have asked me about my curriculum, that's definitely a part of my curriculum, because once the students get to know how to brick program, then I move them on to computer programming, and definitely some of those missions, if you really want to do this well, should be computer programmed. So it's all a part of, you know, problem solving, computer programming. And it's really cool because it's different than the normal first Lego League table. Instead of points, you're trying to get those power pellets. And again, feel free to modify it. You know, I think if you have really advanced students, bringing that power pellet back to base is something you can challenge them with. If you're looking for, you know, to up their advanced skills, you know, you can have them just release it, or you can have it bring it back, whatever you choose. So hopefully you like it, get a chance to check it out. Okay, guys? I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.